Good morning, everyone. Welcome to NALLA NARSHIMA REDDY Education Society's group of institutions, integrated campus, Structural Engineering 1, Reinforcement Concrete. I am Dr. A. Mahesh Babu, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. In last video, I explained about the different types of structures. We will continue in this video different type of structures. Lecture 5, Unit 1. Reinforced concrete structures. See, these are different types of structures. Reinforced concrete structures. You know what are the reinforced concrete structures? What are the material used for reinforced concrete structures? You know very well. Cement, sand, aggregates, water with the proper mix. These structures have been developed. See, this is a frame structure. If you see, these are columns. This is a slab. The last one is beam. So this is a skeleton or component of the RCC structure. That is reinforced concrete structure. In this one, reinforcement used. This is completed building. Steel structures. You know steel structures. What are the advantages of steel structures? Recently, you might have observed in Hyderabad, GHMC constructed one steel bridge within the short time, the short period. So this is one of the advantages. In short time, you can construct the steel bridge. Ductility, the life will be more. Weight also very less. Comparatively, your RCC, steel structure weight is less. Removable and reusable. Suppose if you don't want the structure, suppose you construct a industrial structure. At present, if it is not required and if you want shift, you can remove this structure and you can use this frame at the place where you want to be established. So this is one of the main advantage of steel structure. Not affect from weather conditions. Of course, corrosion is there, but it is avoided by painting. So by having painting, you can avoid corrosion. So it is not affected from weather conditions. High strength structural members. The strength is also more for steel structures. Where can you use these steel structures? Industrial buildings, bridges, multiplex buildings, skyscrapers, steel bridges. See, these are the advantages of steel structures. See, within short period, that near Panjagutta, you can see that one. It is now this that is constructed within very short time and used for traffic. So steel structure, the advantages are there. So these are the types of steel structures. See, this is a bridge with the steel structure. This is a building, high-rise building with steel structure. You observe carefully. This is the wonders that we are going to make. The time is within short time we are going to construct these structures. This is one of the important in the advantages of the steel structure. Only thing, corrosion, weather conditions, but you can avoid by having proper painting in time. It is very strong and weight is less. See, these are various types of structures are there according to purpose of service. Suppose residential structures, individual houses, villas, apartments, like that, your own house, that is residential structure. Accommodation structures, hotels, hostels, these are these according to purpose of service. Cultural structures, schools, library, museum. See, these are all comes under cultural structures according to purpose of service. What is purpose for school? For the education, students. Library for reading. So like this, according to purpose, structures are different. Medical structures. You know, this in pandemic situation, what is important? In China, you observe within 15 days they construct a building. This is a wonder by our civil engineers. They created, see, medical structures means hospitals, disciplinary hospitals. This is also one of the, according to purpose, this is one of the structure. Religious structures, all of you know, temple, different types of temple, mosque, churches. These are religious structures. Commercial structures. What are the commercial structures? Banks, office, commercial building, multiplex. These are all comes under commercial structures. Industrial structures, factory, industry, treatment plant. These are all comes under industrial structure. Yeah, one more important is sport structures, stadium. Yeah, you might have seen, you know very well, LV Stadium or Uppal Stadium, Rajiv Gandhi Stadium, like that. There are many stadiums. So this is one of the structure, hippodrome, pool, like that. There are, according to sport structures, that is one of the different type of structure. Hydraulic structures means water stored in dams or different reservoirs. These are comes under hydraulic structure. Transportation structures. This is also very important. Highway, bridges, railways, airports. This is also very important, and this is also different type of structure according to purpose of service. Service oriented structures. frame structures. What is frame structure? Like RCC, it may be steel structures. What we observed in the first figure is a frame, beams, columns, floor wise, and bricks are used between columns. Okay, there are maybe different type of frame structure: wooden structures, reinforced structure, steel structures. There are different type of framed structures, and we will discuss some more points in the next class. And this you see one of the structure, see frame structure connected with beams, slabs, and this is one of the construction is going on, and this is the already constructed with network, that is a framework, beam, slabs. And in coming videos we'll see some more types of these also steel structures and different types of steel structure. Thank you.